If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and
Hey you guys,
love.
welcome to my channel.
So
For this video I have a wig review. Shout out to ebonyline.com for sending me this unit. So they sent me the Outre wig pop. This is a synthetic full wig and I got her in the style MARILEE and in the color wine copper. So it's the one this model is wearing right here. I almost got this one, but I don't know, I think the red is just calls my name all the time. I can't get away from the red tones. It is a full wig and it is synthetic, 28 inches. So this doesn't have a lot of work, so if you're a beginner, this is the perfect wig for you, as it does the pop and go thing. So it's just the two combs in the front, the comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. I actually already went in off camera. I thought I was recording, I'm so sorry, but I didn't like how full the bangs were. As you guys can see from the model card, it is like really full. I just thinned them out a little bit and put a little bit of heat to bump it up. This wig is perfect for beginners or somebody that just wants a quick, fast hairstyle. You just adjust the wig according to how you want the bangs to lay on your forehead. Brush her out a little bit, adjust, and that's it, baby. You're ready to go. This is basically it. Like I told you, I only went in with my where are my scissors at? So they have these special thinning scissors. You could use at my beauty supply store, but they're called thinning shears. And you basically I just went in and thinned it out to my liking. If you like that bold bang, then I suggest just leave it as is. And then I just added some heat, sort of like this. Guys, that's what gave me this look. I think it's perfect for every day pop and go. So like if you're in a hurry, girl, you're gonna look good in a few seconds. I totally love it. And guess what, you guys, it only goes for around $25 if I'm not mistaken. I will leave the price somewhere here in the screen. And this is not tangly at all. It is like a light, super light yucky texture, almost silky texture, and you can tell when they're tangly. And this one is like a good quality synthetic. Like you could. The only thing that I kind of don't like on like these full wigs is like when they have this little swirl. Like I wish it had like at least like a little inch of lace to, you know, make that false scalp illusion. But you know, you could also wear a hat if you're like concerned about that. It's a good ass density too. Like it's not too thin or too thick. I really love this wig. And of course it's heat resistant. I already trusted that. And just look at that color. Y'all see how it is like a cherry and then it turns into wine at the bottom? It is so subtle, but it's so beautiful. And bomb.com. That is all I have for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're new here and enjoy beauty and wig videos. Just go ahead and subscribe, sis. I got you. I have way more videos coming up for you. Let me know what you guys think of this unit in the comment box, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Love you. Bye.